Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Tuesday live session. Well, we are about 2 hours into the trade, and this is going to be the last settlement for this particular month. Thursday being a holiday, tomorrow is going to be the monthly settlement as well as weekly settlement. We will quickly review the charts. This is the chart of Nifty on the intraday time frame, currently in the uptrend after some good movement yesterday, which was not sustained, but still on the options data we could see some buying interest emerging, and based on that we could say there could be some positive movement, and as anticipated there was a gap up also, but unfortunately again for the second day in a row Nifty is giving up all its gains, and we don't know if it will continue to go into the red, or will it start moving higher and start trading above 18,200. So this is the chart now of Nifty. Opened at 18,210, came down to now 18,160, currently trading towards the day's low. For the last 2 hours it has been a big challenge for the bulls or for the people who are in the long trade, because it opened well, which indicated a buy signal, and from there on it has been trading lower. But on the options data it's still adding momentum on the call side, so do not rule away the bulls as yet. I am hoping the options data might show the right signal today. Well, there is call build up going on in 18,150 as well as 18,200 calls. So mostly by the end of the session Nifty as well as Bank Nifty will close in the green. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. Opened at 43,000 after a long time, seeing 43,000 levels, and currently trading at 42,771 towards the day's low. You can see here there is some kind of support available at 42,725. if it comes down to 42,725 you can again add some more long positions, and if you have already added a long position on the breakout of the first candle high of 43,023, then obviously your stop loss would have got triggered by now, and currently trading at 42,809. so in case the stop loss is taken out, then you can once again try adding into the long position at 42,725, because on the whole this is going to be the buying market and it's not going to be the shorting market. Please keep in mind, it might look like there is some selling emerging at the higher levels. Yesterday also we saw the opening was good, went higher, and after that it was not able to sustain, but it was kind of a disguise up move, I would say. And today also it opened gap up and already fallen below opening candle low, as well as now trading in the red. Bank Nifty is trading about 46 points in the negative, and Nifty is just about 20 points in the positive as of now. So from here on it's anybody's game. Well, the thing is, my view currently is on the long side. If you see the weekly settlement data, yesterday itself on the first candle gap up, Bank Nifty had shown some long positions and it did not fall after that. Today one more candle on the higher side, again it is a red candle, again it is falling down in the second candle. This is a weekly settlement chart, starts every Friday and ends every Thursday. So based on the weekly chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can see here Bank Nifty opened around 42,800, and from there on it's now, just a minute, yeah, on Friday Bank Nifty made one good opening, but again it did not sustain. You can see here it was again showing narrow movement, again Monday morning it gaps up, again narrow movement. The same thing is happening today also. It is gapping up once again on the higher side on Tuesday morning, but again it has failed and it is currently trading low. My view is for the week or for the settlement, it is better to be on the long side if at all, if you have to take any positions, but do not try to venture any short positions as yet. There is no short levels. At least it has shown some buying levels at 42,900 and it is hovering around 42,900 and hoping by tomorrow evening for the settlement, weekly settlement as well as monthly settlement, Bank Nifty will start trading above 42,908 or above at least 43,000. When it comes to Nifty on a settlement chart, you can see here on a Friday it gaps up, but again rest of the day it is in the narrow movement. Yesterday, this was a Monday's chart. On a Friday it gaps up but comes down on a Friday. Yesterday it was a kind of sideways movement and today again it is showing two red candles. We don't know if it will end here. Watch out for Nifty 18,224. Today's high is critical, 18,218. It has come very close to the buy level and it has been retracing now. From 218 it has already reached 170 now. So this level of 224, the weekly high of 224 is important, and if you are seeing Nifty trading above 18,224 on the weekly settlement chart, then please go ahead and buy some for the tomorrow's expiry. This is the Nifty weekly settlement chart for the spot. You can see here the resistance was at 18,183. It opened at 201 and now slowly coming down to 18,149, 150. On the whole, I would say it looks like, for the last 2 days, it looks like Nifty as well as Bank Nifty are giving breakouts, but it's not sustaining. But the undercurrent is still remaining bullish, and if it is true, then probably 1 hour or half an hour in the market is enough for the levels to be taken out. And you can see here, okay, this screen is not shared. Currently Nifty trading at 18,173 and Bank Nifty trading at 42,817. We will quickly look into some of the banking stocks. Well, this is the chart of Axis Bank. Had a breakdown at 921. From there on it has already reached 906. A big breakdown in Axis Bank. Looks like private sector banks are trading badly today. So Axis Bank opened at 933, had a breakdown point at 921. The moment it has cut 921, it has within no time has reached 906. Let us see HDFC is trading towards the buy zone. There was a buy zone at 2757, went up to 2770, currently trading slightly above the buy zone of 2757. Currently HDFC is also in the uptrend. This is the chart of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, again like Nifty and Bank Nifty, has given a first candle breakout at 1684 and has in the second candle moved up by 10 rupees, 1694, currently trading at the cost to cost of 1684. Still the gap up has sustained it, unlike Axis Bank. You can see here HDFC Bank has gapped up and it has sustained the gap up. It has not fallen, it is not showing the downtrend, it is showing the sideways trend. So this is the chart of HDFC Bank. Now this is ICICI Bank on the intraday time frame. Gaps up, comes down and slightly now doing the pullback session. From the 881 high comes down to 871, currently trading at the mid range of 875. Let us see Kotak. Well, opens at 795 and has been showing little bit of weakness currently trading at 774. Yesterday's low of 1772 happens to be little critical, so watch out for 1772. It's very close to the yesterday's level also. In case it is cutting yesterday's level also, then you may have to, if you are already holding the long positions, you can exit. And if you are, there is still not the short level, there is no short level emerging in Kotak Bank as yet. We will have to wait for the right levels to enter into Kotak Bank. Next, IndusInd Bank opens at around 1220, now currently trading at 1207, currently in a downtrend only, but it might show some buying at 1220. The reversed buy levels might turn out to be at 1220. Wait for the right levels. So this is the chart of IndusInd Bank. We will also have to see some of the public sector banks, like starting with Canara Bank. Canara Bank opens at 328, currently trading at 320 on a downward spiral. You can see the first candle high is not yet taken out, currently in the uptrend. Yesterday also it moved well, but towards the end, for the last 1.5 hours, it was trading little lower. Once again it opens on the higher side today. Once again it has come down. So this is the chart of Canara Bank, opened at 328, currently trading at 321. Bank of Baroda, let us see Bank of Baroda. $182 was the resistance. It makes a high of 182.10, and from there on it is now trading at 180, just about 2 rupees, and within the first candle range. First candle range itself is 179.55 to 182.10. It is still trading within the first candle range. We will see SBI from the high of 605, currently trading at 599. You can see here yesterday's breakout was sustained. It was trading well and it had closed well also. It had closed at around 601, opens today at 605. From there on it is on the downward movement, but it has still not given any sell signals. Bank Nifty going slightly weak. Will it form any new sell levels here? We need to wait and watch, but do not enter into the short side until unless it shows any kind of weakness. For now, I would say Bank Nifty is still in the buy zone only. It is still in yesterday's high-low range. So you could say, the continuation of yesterday's sideways movement is going on, and if it comes down to 42,725, you can enter into the long position. Maybe there will be a bounce back towards 43,000 once again. We don't know, but I'm hoping if it comes to 42,725, it might bounce back. So watch out for proper levels. This is Bank Nifty currently trading at 42,785 from the highs of 43,072. It has already fallen 300 points. So in case if anyone has entered at 43,023 on the long side for the just one candle, and if you are not able to exit, I am sure the stop loss would have got triggered off. Wait for the next entry level, and the next entry level happens to be only at 42,725. Until then there is no trade, so wait for the next level to trade whatever is the rate. This is Nifty on an intraday chart, still far off from yesterday's low of 18,090, and it has come halfway down from 18,218. About 50% retracement is already done. So from here on it's anybody's game. For the rest of the day it is anybody's game. Will there be any volumes on the futures or on the stock side or on the options front? We need to wait and watch, but for now the game is neutral. I would say neutral, from bullish bias to the system is currently showing a neutral bias. So if you already have a long position, if you are in the stop loss zone, if the stop loss is hit, exit as per your rules, as per your whatever is the stop loss levels. Do not wait for or do not hope for it to come back to the profit zone. If it once again enters into the buy zone, do not hesitate to enter aggressively. So that's it for now. We will once again meet tomorrow, being the last settlement of this month. In case you have any queries on any of your stock levels, you can check with us. We do the pattern trading, India's one and only fully automated pattern analysis. This is my proprietary pattern analysis system which I have developed over a period of several years of research, and based on that it is completely automated also. It is not like so many pattern traders or price action traders, they just draw some lines on the chart and they say this is the resistance, this is the support, or this is the trend, or this is the flag pattern, this is the triangle pattern, this is a convergence pattern. But real pattern analysis is entirely different, and I think at least in this country I am the only person who has developed a fully automated pattern analysis system which is easy to trade and easy to maintain your discipline. So if you are liking the content on Banao Bharat, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and see if you are liking the content, share it with your peer traders, and we will as a community work together and make some decent profits out of stock markets. So that's it for now. Let us once again meet tomorrow morning and see how the expiry session goes. Until then, Om Swasti.